यस गाइस आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो टुडे। अभी 7 बजे हैं, मेरी थोड़ी सी कल तबीयत ख़राब हो गई थी तो इसकी वजह से मैं सो गया था। बट नथिंग इन, आई जस्ट टुक अ पोजीशन बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट कि बहुत ही बुलिश सिनेरियो है अभी गोल्ड के पास, एंड आई बिलीव द प्राइस इज़ गोइंग टू बाउंस ऑफ फ्रॉम दिस लेवल बिकॉज प्रीवियसली इट वाज एन ऑल टाइम हाई दैट वाज broken in a good momentum but hold it also, but also hold it upright। और मेरी भी तरफ से इस केस में बोल बुलिश ट्रेंड, क्योंकि इस समय सेंटीमेंट बहुत ही बुलिश है। इकोनॉमी इज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली फॉलिंग। कल की अगर हम बात करें अगर फॉरेक्स फैक्ट्री पर, तो एडीपी नॉन फार्म एम्प्लॉयमेंट चेंज भी गिरा हुआ है, जीडीपीएमएम भी गिरा हुआ है, एडवांस जीडीपी भी गिरा हुआ है, एंड कोर पीसी इंडेक्स भी गिरा हुआ है, विच सिम्बलाइज की इकोनॉमी बहुत ही वीक है, बहुत ही फ्रेजाइल है। इतनी इकोनॉमी कभी नहीं गिरी मेरे हिसाब से, बहुत पहले गिरी होगी, एंड जीडीपी तक इस बार गिरी हुई आई। सो क्वार्टरली जीडीपी गिरी हुई आई, सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी 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 ह्यूज मार्केट फॉलिंग सिग्नल, and due to which gold will go extremely to the upside. So I took my position, and I expect the price to go to the upside, and I'll show you that what my positions looks like, and yes, this is it. So I'll कल एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको पता है मिस हो गई मेरी, विच कुड हैव ग्रैब्ड अस 25% प्रॉफिट विद इन अ मैटर ऑफ what 2 hours ईजिली, जो कि मैंने उसके लिए बहुत दिन से वेट कर रहा था, एंड वो आई, बट वो मिस हो गई बिकॉज मैं कॉलेज में था, एंड उल्टा मुझे लॉस हो गया बिकॉज मेरी एक पोजीशन जहाँ से मैं बाउंस सोचा था वहाँ पे क्लोज हो गई। बट नो वरीज, नो 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 वरी, लॉस नहीं हुआ, बट आई कैप्चर्ड ओनली 8% ऑफ द प्रॉफिट, क्योंकि द फैक्ट वहाँ पे मैंने जो इन्वेस्ट करा था उसका टेक प्रॉफिट मेरे से कम लगा था, विच कुड हैव इजीली ट्रेल्ड आई वाज हियर। So this was pretty much of it. Yesterday we made 8%, that is approximately of what you can say $800 because we invested on 10k, and but the thing is मेरा stop loss high था, I had 5% stop loss on that, which is extremely high, and yes, this is it, and I'll update you guys. Let's see what happens today. Now we have to go to college, so I'll just get ready up. So as you can see people, I took a position here just right here because I believe that price is going to go to the upside, because here I think price contains liquidity and the economy is extremely down. So yes, what I expect is that I these are demo trades, so what I expect is that I set my first TP at here at plus 14% respectively, 11% sorry, and my second position trailed is at just right here at 38%, just above here, and my last position is at 80% profit just right here, and this one is open for all. I know that this seems a bit extremely high, but still this is it, and yes, let's see what happens. At a much smaller time frame, this is what my entry looks like. I invested just right here. As you can see, the price is currently going up. My first take profit is just 14% just right here. My stop loss is just beneath these lows, and my second take profit is also here. My third take profit is all the way to these highs at 38%, and क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ से प्राइस बुल मूव शुरू कर देगा एक, so that's why my final take profit is at plus 80% just above here, which I think we are gonna hit in the next 2 or 3 days I believe, and as you can see, and my last position is open for the day because I believe that there should be a good uptrend starting from just right here. So this is pretty much it, and I'll update you guys on my position. Clearly see price is pushing up beautifully to the upside, and I believe that it is gonna hit our 11% profit mark just right there, and I think it is also gonna soon it will move to the upside because the country's the economy is extremely down, and even I expect it to break these all-time highs for this time. So let's see what happens, and let's see what I am gonna capture in this trade. We are currently in good positions. As you can see, I am currently in 2% loss on one position, and we are in 1.7% loss in other positions. So this is it, and let's see what happens. आज बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि कल मेरा दिन पूरा बर्बाद हो गया एक तरीके से, क्योंकि कल मैं ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाया। मैं आते ही थोड़ी देर काम करने के बाद सो गया। मैं देर रात तक नहीं जाग पाया क्योंकि थोड़ी सी तबीयत भी ख़राब लग रही थी, एंड आई बिलीव भी थोड़ा सा मुझे फीवरिश लग रहा है, बट स्टिल आई हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क टुडे। अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क इज़ हैज़ टू बी डन टुडे, बट yes, this is it. We have to do that, and after that I'll have a deep sleep, of course. But today is Thursday, so unemployment claims are gonna be coming in today. I believe that they are gonna come high, which is bad for the economy because nothing is getting better in the economy. My trade is still in consolidation. Let me just show you, and still there's no breakthrough to the upside. But I believe, when the London session, when the New York session and the London session starts at all the way to 1, we are gonna see a good feat of liquidity, which is gonna take the price to the upside. um, because of course, if you think fundamentally, gold is extremely bullish. We are sitting on an important level, you can say nearby an important level, and hence price could probably grab liquidity and may move to the upsides. And currently I'm in loss in the position, and just let me show you. As you can clearly see that currently I am in a minimal loss just right here. A stop loss are below these lows, and my take profit are all the way to these highs and above even these highs. So yes, this is pretty much of it. What I believe that I'm going to tell you guys, मैं ये believe करता हूँ कि price is gonna get into a bullish rally from here on, and if it does that, it would be extremely phenomenal, because all the factors say so. I believe that ये start of the rally है, and price could even take off these all-time highs through these rally, and let's see what happens because there's no cool down in the economy. Okay, so people, just like that, we have stopped out for the day, and I had a mistake, of course, that I'm gonna tell you soon, but I'm pretty disappointed from it. It's just I stopped out of my position, and that was because of the fact कि I was impatient on this entry, because जो level था वो अच्छे से price ने respect नहीं करा था. It formed a big hammer. That is not an obvious signal, but still that was my mistake, and I'll look for other opportunities now, because I want to, I still believe that there's gonna be soon there's gonna be a big bullish rally because of the economy falling. So this is pretty much of it, and I'll update you guys when I take another position. So I was watching the price chart, उसने थोड़ा सा जंप लिया है, बट मैंने अपने ऑर्डर्स खोल दिए थे एक लेवल पे, फ्रॉम विच आई बिलीव दैट वाज द टोक्यो एशियन लो, विच वाज अनटेस्टेड टिल नाउ, एंड आई एक्सपेक्ट द प्राइस कुड गेन momentum probably from that level. So I put my orders there, and I am here at college currently. So this is what my life look like. I do not have any friends to share any of my problems with, and I just have to do each and everything on my own only, और सब कुछ खुद ही करना है, करेंगे. इट इज़ इट. कल का दिन थोड़ा सा बेकार चला, क्योंकि मैं कल थोड़ी तबीयत ख़राब हो गई थी, तो आई वॉज अस्लीप. बट आज पूरा काम करना है. आज टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई विल नॉट स्लीप टिल 3 or 4 आई थिंक. कम से कम ये काम ही करना पड़ेगा अपने द्वारा. दिस इज़ इट. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू make money and just get out of this college thing. I do not want to pursue it at all. All a scam. सब खुश हैं क्लास में. टीचर जो इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हैं उन्हें इंग्लिश तो मुझसे बोलनी नहीं आती, एंड एवरीवन एक दूसरे से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं जिससे मार्क्स मिल जाए. इट्स ऑल अ स्कैम. एवरीवन इज़ प्लेइंग आउट टू बी समथिंग दैट दे आर नॉट. और हर किसी को सिर्फ मार्क्स चाहिए. मार्क्स के लिए बहुत बड़ा स्कैम है भाई. टीचर्स को नॉलेज नहीं है, फॉर्मेलिटी निभा रहा है हर कोई. दिस इज़ व्हाट द रियलिटी ऑफ कॉलेजेस इज, एंड आई एम नॉट द माइंड. आई डू नॉट हैव, आई सफ़र डेली. मुझे डेली एक दिन मेरा ऐसा जाता है, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता. आई डू नॉट फील वेल. आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली स्ट्रेस एट माई माइंड. एक मिनट मुझे यहाँ का फील होता है, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट मेड फॉर दिस शिट. दिस इज़ प्रिवेंटिंग मी टू डू द थिंग जो मुझे करनी है. सिर्फ जो चीज़ मुझे करनी है मैं वो ही नहीं कर पा रहा है यहाँ बैठ के. तो हाउ कैन आई बी pieces. Now I'll read my book. I'll look at the charts for more time on my phone, and then I'll go to class. So yes, just I completed 1 hour of back testing. I am using Trade Casa as my back testing broker, and after trade now I'll have dinner करेंगे, and after that we'll start with the material with journalizing, reading, and other things. So yes, this is pretty much of it, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'll watch Ben 10 while eating my lunch, and then we'll get back on with other thing. You can just see people, मेरी एक और एंट्री मिस हुई क्योंकि मैं कॉलेज से लेट आया था, तो इसकी वजह से ये एंट्री मिस हो गई. बट स्टिल ये हमारी प्रिसाइज एंट्री नहीं है, क्योंकि दिस इज़ द लेवल, दैट इज़ 3194 लेवल, फ्रॉम विच आई एक्सपेक्ट द प्राइस could probably break this bearish rally, that is the bearish decline that is currently in, and maybe start moving to the upside, and that is what I expect basically. So what I expect now is that I expect the price to reach to this level. My orders are opened just right here, so that, and I expect my stop loss is just below this level, and I expect the price to respect this level and move to the upside sharply. And if I talk about the current session, as we can clearly see that we saw a lot of volume today in the Asian session or the Tokyo session, and yes, I lost, I had an opportunity just right here. So today in the morning we so not yes, so in the morning we lost 2% just right here, because I expected the price to hold this previous London low, but in terms of holding it didn't hold and went all the way to downside. So मेरे से ये गलती हुई कि I should have instantly took a bearish position just right then, because the price broke the important level in a huge momentum. Price whenever breaks an important level, it breaks it in huge momentum, and now as you can see the overlapping of the session is started. As you can see, the London session and the New York session is now just open at 7 PM in the evening, and what I expect is that, जो मैं बिलीव करता हूँ वो ये है कि यहाँ से इसने फर्स्ट कैंडल पे इसने जो रिट्रेसमेंट करा ऊपर की तरफ जो मैक्रोज ओपन करे, so I believe that price will push down to this level where my orders are, that is where the nearby liquidity is also available, and price will go there and will move to the upside. That is what my entry looks like. I am extremely bullish for gold, because nothing is in favor of the economy, and that's why I believe gold will go extremely up. So I'll just update you on my position now. Without wasting any time, I'll start journalizing. As you can just see, we are very near for hitting our orders. Our orders are opened just right here, just below, just above these important level. As you can see, just here my orders are open, and soon enough I think we're gonna hit our orders. Although as you can see that there is a bearish market shift currently, but still I believe that price could probably reverse its direction after grabbing liquidity from this level, as it contains good amount of liquidity. So this is pretty much of it. And in terms of sessions, as we can see, we are currently trailing in the New York session. Sorry, the London session is just over. Now we are heading inside only the New York session, and I believe that price could probably grab liquidity from this area and move to the upside. That is what I expect, and that is what I'm looking for. So yeah, this is it, and my take profit will be all the way to these highs, that are the 3268 highs, while my stop loss will be just below the level. So it is gonna be a good risk to reward ratio trade. Well, price did a retracement move
As you can see, I expected it to fall down to this level, but it did a retracement move and made a good hammer like structure, which is a very good bullish signal. But as you can see, we are seeing the bullish momentum, which is downside. And as I'm a very sharp trader, I'm a sniper, so I will take only I only take the position when the price finally hits my order at this 3198 level, and my stop loss will be a little below this level, and my take profit will be all the way to this level. And yes, this is what I am hoping for, and I'm gonna only invest when the price reaches where I want and when I want. We still do not have any fall to the downside. The good thing is that the price did not respected this hammer, and it closed as an BE candle just right here, and it didn't respect it, but it is also showing bullish momentum now. But I still believe that we are gonna fall down, because अब हम नीचे जाए ना जाए, that does not matter, but I will only take my position if price comes down in this range, because only there I believe is a good amount of liquidity available. Nowhere else it is. As you can see, we have the overlapping of the London and New York session just right here, and what I expect is that price to come down to this level, and make I expect the price to come down below to this level and closed as a wick under these level and above these level, and that is when I have a very when I will have a very beautiful bullish signal. अगर ऐसा होता है कि प्राइस इसके नीचे जाता है बट एज अ विक क्लोज कर देता है, क्योंकि मेरी यही एंट्री होगी विक पे, फिर अगर ऐसा कर देता है तो दैट वुड बी एन एक्सट्रीमली बुलिश सिग्नल, एंड तब तो पक्का हो जाएगा कि प्राइस इज गोना मूव टू द अपसाइड to here. In order to check this recently created FVG, which has multiple confluences like the Tokyo and London lows, which have high extreme liquidity. So this is it for the day, I believe, and currently we are seeing no signs of economic fall down. कुछ नीचे नहीं जा रहा है, but if it goes down it's gonna be extremely profitable setup. But this is it, so yes, I'll update you with what happened.
मेन थिंग दैट कंसर्न्स में करेंटली, जो मुझे कंसर्न करती है सोचने वाली, वो ये है कि आई डू नॉट नो वाई स्टिल प्राइस इज़ नॉट मूविंग टू द अपसाइड, आफ्टर ऑल दीज bad reads that we are currently in, the economy is falling. I do not know why price is not moving to the upside and not reaching the important level and still consolidating. But अभी bearish pressure हम पे कम हुआ है, so yes, I believe that it is gonna head to the upside. But I am just waiting from the last 3 hours 4 hours for price to just reach my level, but it is not currently. But yes, all we can do is just hold on and wait for the perfect entry.
So now it's 2:16 in the night, and the price finally grabbed liquidity from that. We didn't get a sharp entry point, so we didn't invest it. Well, I'm not sad at all. Today was not my day, and yes, I will be looking to for going short at this level, because it contains an important because it is an important level, and is also the recent Asian high, and also was the London low. So it is an important level, and I think I'm gonna be taking short positions there. And yes, this is pretty much of it.
So it's 2:16 in the night and I still have a lot of work to do. I'll sleep, as I said, I'll sleep around 3:30 or 4, and I'll wake up at 7 or 8, because I do not have time. मुझे बहुत सारा काम भी करना है, अभी जर्नलाइज करना है, इसके बाद मैं रीड करूँगा, and after that I'll have to edit my video. After that I've been sitting here from 7:30, I think 7:30 I've been sitting, and now it's 2:17. So all I want to say is that you have to make the time for yourself, by yourself. No one's gonna help you to do anything. If you want something, that make time for yourself, sacrifice your sleep, sacrifice everything for just one thing that you have in your mind, like I am doing currently. Do not think anything. I do not even have, I cannot sleep when मेरे मन में आइडिया ये है कि मुझे जब तक मेरा बैंक अकाउंट क्लियर नहीं तो मुझे चैन से नींद ही नहीं आ सकती. आई कैन नॉट स्लीप. सो यस, सेक्रीफाइस स्लीप, सेक्रीफाइस एवरीथिंग to just complete your dream. That is what I'm gonna say. And without wasting any time, I'm gonna journalize. No worries, I'm not gonna show you the video. But yes, now I'm gonna journalize and I'll see you guys in a bit. And let me open my orders.